Welcome back YouTube, VST here at Tech. I come across a very nice application that I wanted to share with you. People ask me very often, what is your wallpaper? And I do use like 4 or 5 wallpaper solutions, applications, and etc. I did a lot of videos on them. I'm going to link them down below there or here. But this time I have something new for you, so you might want to try it. And of course, before that, I'll appreciate the sub to the channel. Let's dive in. This app is called Dynamic Wallpaper and it's developed by Rishikesh Kamevar, and I really do hope that I'm pronouncing the name correct. But yeah, you would say like, what is going on with this? Is just yet another wallpaper application, but not. Guys, this is something special. Dynamic wallpapers will change when the battery state is low, healthy, or charging. All right, so first it looks very cool, and the wallpapers, by the way, are really stunning. So just for that, kudos to the developer. But then guys, let's just dive deep and see. Select wallpapers, beautiful wallpapers from your favorite developers. So once you click here, you have the option to access emoji, right? Or the eye or icon light. And you can just see, guys, there are really a lot of them. Pikachu, Android. Yeah, wow. I mean, the options really are unlimited. You know, I'm going to go with the rocks. So let me just try to select the rocks. So I will select now rocks and I will use dynamic wallpaper. And by the way, you can just see right now I have 20%. So, okay, I have this very nice and green wallpaper, and it's going to be interesting what happens when I will lose battery or when I'm trying to charge the phone. Apply wallpaper on the home screen, right? And I can click there and apparently also choose both home screen and lock screen. And then we have the option for the battery settings. So power saving on, I think this is the standard battery settings from Samsung, guys. The design of the application is actually very neat and very simple. I would say even very effective. You have the dynamic wallpaper, the title, of course, the option to select the wallpapers, and guys, then the option to use a dynamic wallpaper that will change when your battery is charging, or let's say when your battery is draining or not. And then you have the option to apply the wallpaper with the option to do it on the home and lock screen, and then boom, just access your standard phone's mobile OS battery settings. So there isn't anything else. Of course, here you can check there is a Twitter account from Rishikesh and also the Telegram channel. And now guys, let's test it. I have this very nice and beautiful green wallpaper, and here I have my wireless stand. So what will happen if I put the phone? Okay, let me just go again to the wallpaper, putting it, boom, wallpaper is really changing back to green, back to blue. I really enjoy this, guys. So if you like this app, go download it, test it, guys. And if you like content like this, don't forget to sub for the channel. VST over and bye.